Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So in this video, you can see I am inside of one of our cement production line, one of our earliest cement production line. And then in this video, I'm going to introduce about what are the equipment used in the process of cement production. So I will cover about vertical roller mills, bar mills, and then rotary kilns and cyclone preheaters in our video. So on the back, you can see the tower that's very high. That is the cyclone preheater. The function is to heat up the material and to improve the thermal efficiencies, and also to achieve less emission. And then you can see on the bottom there's the rotary kiln, even though it is all covered up, but I will introduce in our following videos. And then this is the clinker grinding unit, which after the clinkers are calcined in the rotary kilns, it will be ground inside of the grinding workshop. So yeah, thank you guys. Now let's go take a closer look at this cement production line.